Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter of plus 1 biology, the chemical coordination and integration. Chemical coordination and integration. As we know that the control and coordination in human body can take place with the help of nervous system as well as hormonal system. In this chapter we will discuss on hormonal system. Hormones means these are the chemical substances which are secreted by the glands. These are the chemical substances which secreted by the glands. Glands. There are three types of glands in a human body. The glands which secrete the chemical substances inside the body as well as with the help of duct or without a duct. There are three types of glands. Endocrine gland, exocrine gland, and heterocrine glands. The whole body control and coordination can take place with the help of nervous system and hormonal system. Hormonal system are the chemical substances which are secreted, means hormones, chemical substances which are secreted by the glands. And these glands are three types: endocrine glands, exocrine glands as well as heterocrine glands. Endocrine, endo means within and crine means secretion. It means they secrete the chemical substance inside the body, and these glands are without ducts, or you can say that ductless gland. Endo means within and crine means secrete or secretion. These are the glands which secretes the chemical substance inside the body directly into the blood or lymph. There are no separate glands or ducts present in these glands. There are no separate ducts or tubes present, because these glands, there is no need of duct or tubes for the secretion. They secrete the chemical substance directly into the blood vessels, and blood take this from one place to another place. So these glands are called ductless gland. There is no duct present, so they are known as ductless glands. For example, thyroid, pituitary, thyroid, and mostly many glands are ductless. Exocrine glands. These glands also secrete the chemical substance, but for transportation there is need of tube or duct. So they contain duct. These glands secrete the chemical substance and to transport till target organ through duct. So they contain tubes or duct. For secretion there is need of tubes. For example, salivary glands, and liver. There is tube for transportation of chemical substance hormones from one place to another place, or to one place from glands to the target organ. So they need ducts, and they are duct contained glands. The next one is heterocrine glands. These glands, some parts of these glands contain ducts and some may not. These glands, some part contain ducts and some may not. It means there is some substances are secreted through the ducts, and there are some other substances secreted by these glands without duct. For example, pancreas. Pancreas, islet of Langerhans. These secrete the chemical substance such as insulin or glucagon. There is no need for the ducts. Pancreas, islet of Langerhans. Secrete insulin and glucagon. No need of duct. It means islet of Langerhans doesn't contain ducts, but some pancreatic juice such as lipase and trypsin, their secretion of lipase and trypsin can take place with the help of duct. But some juices which are pancreatic juices such as lipase and trypsin required to transport duct. Same as there are two other glands, ovary in female and testes in male. Same, testes in male and ovary in female. These are also heterocrine glands, because the secretion of testosterone there is no need of duct, but secretion of sperm there is need of from seminiferous tubules to rete testes, then vas deferens. So there is need of a duct. Testes is also heterocrine glands, and ovaries secretion of estrogen and progesterone there is no need of duct. But when ovum is secretion, the secretion through fallopian tube, there is duct required. These are the three types of glands. In this chapter we will discuss more definitely with the hormones and mostly the endocrine glands. Hormones. Hormone. This word taken from hormone. Hormone word taken from hormone. It means to excite. Hormone means to excite. When the secretion of hormone can take place, the body, some part of body may be excited, get excited. Hormones was discovered by Baylis and Starling. Baylis and Starling, and first hormone which was discovered, that was secretin. First hormone discovered was secretin. Hormone was discovered by Baylis and Starling, and this word hormone, only this word was given by Starling. Hormone word was given by Starling, but the chemical substance which are secreted by the endocrine glands, hormones, this is secreted by the Baylis and Starling. The first hormone which was secreted, known as secretin. Next one is the first hormone which was firstly isolated. The isolated hormone was the first hormone isolated was insulin. First hormone discovered, secretin. First isolated hormone, insulin, was isolated by Banting and McLeod from the pancreas of a dog. Pancreas of a dog. Clear? These are some chemical substances. The first hormone which was discovered by Baylis and Starling was secretin. The first isolated hormone was insulin. This isolation was firstly input by Banting and McLeod. From the insulin was taken from the pancreas of a dog. Clear? Nervous system and hormonal system. There is more major difference. Nervous is a quick response. The response through the nervous system is quick, whereas hormonal is a slower response. Hormones transfer the signal in the chemical form, whereas the nervous system can transfer the signals in the electrical form. Clear?